Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable QuickBooks Online for Shopify order accounting step by step clearly. To enable QuickBooks Online for Shopify order accounting, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section from the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, use the search bar to find Shopify. Select the Shopify app from the search results. Click on the Get App Now button to initiate the connection process. You will be prompted to log into your Shopify store. Enter your Shopify store credentials and click Login. Once logged in, authorize QuickBooks to access your Shopify account by clicking Allow. After authorization, you'll be directed back to QuickBooks. Select the data you want to sync between Shopify and QuickBooks. This may include orders, products, and customer information. Review the sync settings for your preferences on how to handle different order types. Once satisfied, click on the Save or Connect button to finalize the integration. Now, head over to your Shopify dashboard to confirm the integration. Make a test order in your Shopify store to ensure everything is working smoothly. After placing the test order, return to QuickBooks Online. Check the Sales Transactions section to see if the order synced properly. If everything is in order, your QuickBooks Online is now successfully integrated with Shopify for order accounting. You're now set to manage your finances and records efficiently with this. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.